So we have this very interesting question from algebra of equations in which we are given a single equation and we need to find the value of this variable y. So let's see how we can solve this. So first of all, we will be sending this term on the right hand side. If we send this term on the right hand side, what we will get? Under root y plus 1 is equals to 3 minus under root 2y minus 5. Yes. Now after this step, what we will do? We will be squaring both the sides, left side and right side. So we did square on both the sides. If we do square on the left hand side, the square root will be removed and we will be left with y plus 1. On the right hand side, we will be using one algebraic identity which says a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so here a is like 3 and b is like under root 2y minus 5. Now we will be applying this rule identity 3 square plus under root 2y minus 5 whole square minus 2ab. AB is 3 and b is under root 2y minus 5. Yes. So once we have applied this identity, we will be simplifying it in the next step. Y plus 1 is equals to 9. Now we will remove square root from this second term. We will get 2y minus 5. Last term will be minus 6 under root 2y minus 5. Okay. Now after this step, we will simplify further. If we simplify further, we will be getting y plus 1, 4 plus 2y minus 6 under root 2y minus 5. So let's simplify this further. We will be left with 6 under root 2y minus 5 on one side, and on the other side we will be left with y plus 3. Okay, so we have sent this term on the left hand side and brought y and 1 on the right hand side. So we are left with y plus 3. After this step, what we will be doing? We will be squaring both the sides again to remove the square root. After this step, the square root will be removed totally. So let's see what happens in the next step. So in the next step, we will get 36 2y minus 5. Why? This square will be given to 6 and this square will be given to under root 2y minus 5, both of them. So 6 square is 36, and for the second part of the term, that is under root 2y minus 5, square root will be removed. On the right hand side, we will be using the algebraic identity a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is y square plus 9 plus 6y. Okay, so we have actually used one algebraic identity which is a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is like y and b is 3. So we applied this identity. So let's simplify this further. We will get 72y minus 180 is equals to y square plus 9 plus 6y. If we simplify this further, we will get y square minus 66y plus 189 equals to 0. After this step, we will do middle term splitting. Let's see what happens in middle term splitting. In middle term splitting, we can split this term as y square minus 63y minus 3y plus 189 equals to 0. This will further give us y minus 63, y minus 3 is equals to 0. So what will be the value of y that we will get from this step? We will get y is either 3 or 63. So this will be the value of y. This will be our final answer. Y is either 3 or 63. Okay, so y is either 3 or 63. Both of these values of y will be satisfying this equation.